Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade with zest using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and essential tools. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure you have a grater or zester, a juicer, a pitcher, and a fine mesh sieve ready. Washing your lemons well is a great first step for a clean, flavorful drink. Now, let's get to the heart of our zesty lemonade. Gently zest 2 or 3 of your lemons, being careful to only get the bright yellow part and avoid the bitter white pith. This zest will add a wonderful aromatic depth. Next, juice all of your lemons. You should get approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Combine this fragrant zest with your freshly squeezed lemon juice in a bowl, ready for the next step. To create a perfectly balanced sweetness, we'll make a quick simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, immediately pour this hot simple syrup directly over your lemon zest and juice mixture. Allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes. This step is crucial for extracting all that lovely zesty flavor. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully strain your infused lemon mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into a large pitcher, discarding the spent zest. This ensures a smooth, clear lemonade. Now, add the remaining 3 cups of cold water to the pitcher and stir everything thoroughly. Give it a taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more sugar. Serve your refreshing, zesty lemonade over ice with a fresh lemon slice. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.